Hi friends, today's Wednesday, February 24th, and I thought I would just show you I've updated my grow light system, and I would love some feedback from people who use LED bulbs because I haven't yet, and so I need to know what to do. Let me turn the camera around. Okay, so I needed some more room underneath the lights because I have a lot more trays to bring down now. So I added another fixture. I took one more down from the ceiling and I set it up side by side. And then what I did was I changed the light bulbs. I took out the old T12 regular, I think they were probably bright white, but I'm not sure. And I put in these combo universal T8, T12 LED bulbs. They're 40 watt. They replace a 40 watt T12, which is what I had in here. And so now I'm going to put the camera on the light bulbs and hope it doesn't blow out. Yeah, there we go. So each of these fixtures has two, they're T8 size, but they universally fit into the T12 ballast LED bulbs on here. And so I know that the LED lights are supposed to be up higher because you don't want to burn the leaves on your plants, but I don't know how high to pull them up. So right now I'd say they're about 12 inches from the top of the seedlings. Do I need to take the lights higher than that? I really don't want to burn anything. So if you know, please let me know and put in a comment down below. How high away from the seedlings should I put my LED bulbs? And if you could let me know, that'd be so helpful. I'm going to pull down the other trays that have sprouted upstairs and put them under these lights as well. And then I'll get the fan going again and we'll be all set up. I wanted to show you an update on the review of this Fairy Morse light. Now this is only a single T5 bulb underneath there. It's one of the really super skinny T5 bulbs and there's only one of them. And so excuse me, I did set my seedlings 2 inches underneath the light like you're supposed to, but look what's happening. Because it's not a very wide arc of light, the seedlings over here are leaning toward the light and the seedlings over here are leaning toward the light. And so this light stand, I am not really going to recommend that anybody buy this for trays. If you want to put a single pot under here or like a window box situation that's long and narrow, all the plants get the same width of light, but I wouldn't go any wider than 4 inches underneath this one bulb. So yeah, I'm not totally pleased with that. So I'm going to be moving this tray under the larger, broader light system under there. Oh, one last thing. These universal bulbs that I bought, they're daylight. So they're 6,500 Kelvin. So I didn't spring for the broad spectrum grow lights, but I think that these are going to be pretty good. So these, I think, you know what? I don't remember how much this package of 2 cost, but they didn't break the bank. So that's the update on my grow light system. So if you know how far away those bulbs are supposed to be from the seedlings, could you drop me a note in the comments down below and let me know? I'd really appreciate it. Thanks so much. Have a great day. The tree guys are outside working, taking down those big trees today, and I'll be putting up the video of that probably tomorrow or Friday. So I'll see you again soon, folks. Thanks.